Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom miso soup. Today I'm making miso soup loaded with 4 different types of mushroom. If you can't find 4, you can just do it with 3 or 2 or even 1. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this mushroom miso soup, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 teaspoons hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, little less than 4 tablespoons miso, your favorite mushroom. Today I have enoki, shiitake, shimeji, and maitake, and it's about 400 grams total. And I also have some green onion to garnish. Let's prepare the mushroom first. So shiitake, cut the stem off. The stem of shiitake is tough and chewy, so I normally don't use it. Let's make thin slices. Shimeji mushroom. Cut the bottom off and break into pieces. Maitake. Cut the bottom off, break into small pieces. Enoki. Cut the bottom off. Let's cut it into 3. And the bottom part is sticking together, so break into small pieces. Next is green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. And just slice thinly. This is to garnish after the soup is ready, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Four cups of water and hondashi instant soup stock into the pot. Today I'm using hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. But if you want to do this with real Japanese soup stock, here's the link for the video. And just bring it to boil. Now, the broth is boiling, so let's put the mushrooms. Push them down into the broth. Let's cook it for 3 minutes. Everything is cooked through, so let's add the miso paste. I'm using this miso strainer with the handle standing up like this, but if you don't have miso strainer, you can just use small strainer or tea strainer. Put miso in the strainer, dunk it, and push it out. By using strainer, you don't have to worry about having chunk of miso in your soup bowl. Right after you put the miso, you start to smell rich flavor of miso. When you start to smell that, turn the heat off and it's done. Serve it in the soup bowl. Put some green onion for the nice color and the flavor. And mushroom miso soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. and mushroom. Maitake is my favorite. It's full of umami. Every mushroom has different texture and it's amazingly delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Let's put mushroom miso soup here and plain rice here. For one of the side dishes, let's have green beans with sesame sauce. For the other side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. You can have anything you like for the main dish, but how about meatballs with sweet sour soy sauce? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.